Today we'll be trying to install some Lace Dirty Heshers in a Gibson, I wish, Epiphone silverburst SG. They recommend 250K pots with 0.022 MFD caps, but right now we're just going to use what's in here and try to order some better pots later. Gotta take the pick guard off in order to get the pickup out. Now we take off the bridge and the pick guard. We've got the pickup detached from the positive here. Just gotta get the ground off. There we go. They're off. Yeah. I'm just gonna sort of try to thread these through here. Now we want to solder these orange and white wires to the positive on here, and the green and white to the ground. Need 3 hands here. And hopefully we are done with this part. Just pretty. Gotta replace the freaking neck pickup next. That is a beautiful sight. All installed, no strings. Just gotta get out in the barn and see how this sounds. Sick.